Clara, I just got handed over a new patient, Mr. Bernard Ellis. It's quite a complicated case. He's a 68-year-old with a history of COPD, but he's been admitted now due to a suspected silent myocardial infarction. Initially, they thought it was a COPD flare because of his breathlessness and fatigue, but the troponin levels told a different story.
Silent MI? That must have been a tough call. How stable is he now, Mihira?
He's stable but very fatigued. He also has type 2 diabetes and mild dementia, which makes the picture even trickier. His sugars are erratic and he forgets he's eaten. Plus, he's been showing signs of orthostatic hypotension, especially this morning during assisted mobilization.
So, Mihira, what's the priority in terms of his care right now?
Well, the cardiology team wants close cardiac monitoring for arrhythmias, but Dr. Samuels stressed that fall risk should guide our immediate interventions. They're more concerned he might fall again like he did last week at home, even before the cardiac episode was suspected. That seems to be their main concern for now.
I understand that experiencing breathlessness can be incredibly frightening, Mihira, and it's completely natural to feel worried when something as essential as breathing becomes difficult. Please know you're not alone in this, and taking this concern seriously is the most important first step. This sensation of shortness of breath can arise from several possible causes, some relating to the lungs, some to the heart, and others to our body's stress response. For instance, a common condition like asthma can sometimes worsen quietly, or a simple chest infection could be causing inflammation. Sometimes the heart needs to be checked, as it can contribute to fluid buildup affecting breathing. It's also very common for high levels of anxiety or stress to manifest physically as tightness in the chest and a feeling of being unable to take a deep breath. Our mind and body are deeply connected, and emotional distress can very genuinely feel like a physical one. Mihira, the best and safest way forward is to have a doctor listen carefully to what you've been experiencing. They will likely want to examine you and may conduct some simple, non-invasive tests, like checking the oxygen level in your blood, listening to your heart and lungs, or perhaps a chest X-ray to understand exactly what is happening. This isn't meant to be alarming, but rather a thoughtful process to rule out any physical concerns and pinpoint the true source. Once we have clarity, an appropriate and gentle treatment plan can be made, whether that involves medication, breathing techniques, or supportive counseling. Your comfort and peace of mind are the ultimate goals, and we will move forward together, one step at a time, towards helping you breathe easier again.